Check out the SOLIOM smart bird camera feeder. It was easy to set up and install. Comes with a solar panel, so you never have to worry about charging it. With an extra bracket from Amazon, I installed it on a pole with a baffle to keep the squirrels off. You can watch the birds in live time, or you can also go to the library to watch the pre-recorded clips. It also identifies the birds, and then it goes to another site to give you more information. Check out some of my visitors so far. You can get the SOLIOM Smart Bird Camera Feeder at Amazon.